In honor of Memorial Day, Clausen Truck Center stepped out into the community to hear the stories of the brave men and women who sacrificed to protect our freedoms.
We just knew if there was a war, we were going to serve, and that was it. So it was sort of unquestioned.
Was there another choice? I'm not sure if there was a better choice other than join the Marines.
My grandfather was in World War I, Dad was in World War II. Every single one of my uncles was either in the Korean War, Vietnam, or a mix of service, so it was never a question.
I would say assertiveness. You're way more assertive after you come out of the military. Kind of, even the way you walk, the way you greet people, the way you have respect for folks is way different from when you go.
The percentage of females is very small, so you always have to prove yourself, but I think that was also one of the highs for me, because you're always competing. I felt like I did more than I thought I could do.
It was a sense of purpose that a lot of jobs out here don't give you, and I guess the adrenaline junkie in me, sometimes a sense of danger. I don't know if that amounts to much, but I always felt like I needed to do for others.
Best experience? Get to know other Marines.
I would say if you do go in, make a commitment to it and stick with it, because I think the end result is much better than you could ever hope.
At Clausen Truck Center, we want every veteran to know how grateful we are for their service. Join us in saluting the men and women of the armed forces.